Warning. Hello, dear student. Please log in using your registered username and password. Once logged in, select your scheduled exam from the dashboard. Before you begin, please read all instructions carefully. Some exams like skill tests or entrance exams may not allow reattempts. If you make a mistake or get disconnected, you might lose your chance to complete the exam. This is a highly secure, proctored exam. If you switch tabs or windows, your exam will be automatically submitted. The exam runs in full screen mode. If you exit full screen, you must return within 9 seconds, or the test will be submitted automatically. Make sure you stay focused, follow all instructions, and complete your test within the given time. Good luck.